create a new folder and name it Scripts. Now, create a new C# script and give it a relevant name. Open the script by double-clicking on it. The script will open in your default editor. Follow along with me by typing the destroy method in the start class. Start will be called one time when the script executes. Deleting used classes to save on resources and deleting used using statements to reduce file size. Go back to Unity and attach the script to your game object. Press play at the top to not see the cube, because it was destroyed immediately. This is where your attached script will show up on your game object in the inspector. Duplicate the cubes and adjust them so one is on the left and one is on the right. Rename them accordingly. Open the script. We are going to add if statements so we can use the same script on both blocks. The name in quotes here has to match the name exactly as you name the cubes. Now, we are going to add another destroy method with a timer in seconds. The left cube will destroy after 5 seconds. Go back to Unity and Interplay mode. Watch as the left cube destroys after 5 seconds. Duplicate one of the cubes and arrange them so you have a left cube, middle cube, and right cube. Name them accordingly. We are going to destroy the script attached to the middle cube. As you can see, it currently exists here. Open the script. We are going to write another if statement to apply this only to the middle cube. Follow along writing another destroy method using this keyword, which means this script. Go back to Unity and Interplay mode. Select the middle block in the hierarchy, and you will notice the script on the middle block doesn't exist anymore because it has been destroyed. Duplicate another block and name it accordingly. Adjust the camera if you need to so you can see all the blocks in the game view. Open the script. We are going to add another if statement to destroy a component after 15 seconds on the top middle block. Go back to Unity and Interplay mode. Select the top middle cube in the hierarchy and watch as the box collider destroys after 15 seconds. Duplicate another cube and adjust it. Rename the cube accordingly. Open the script. This time, we will need the update class in order to detect a key press while in the game. If you have IntelliSense enabled, you should be able to start typing update and press enter to insert the class. Follow along. We will use two conditions to check for a key press and to check for the top left cube. Then add the destroy method. Go back to Unity and Interplay mode. Press the space bar to destroy the top left cube. Thank you for watching. I would love it if you could subscribe to see more and share with your friends.